Alright, I'm back again. It snowed this time. It really snowed. Like, oh, you can't tell here, but it snowed about, I think, 12 inches. I'll show you after. But what I was going to make this video for is I bought another camera. I ordered one up, new one to try, a GoPro camera. So I'll show you my camera choices and everything that I use here. And then I'll show you outside and go from there. Oh yeah, and by the way, in case you haven't figured it out already, that I'm kind of funny looking in this area here. So there's no need to write any comments about it. I can figure that out myself, so just had to make that clear that I do know. And I don't care to hear comments about it. So that's the reason I didn't show myself for such a long time, because it's a hard thing for me to do, knowing that, you know, have spots and sort of things. But yeah, so there's no reason for any comments about that. Just so you know, I had to add that in just quickly, you know. This is my camera bag. It's a Sony bag, as you can see, for the Sony that I'm using right now. The camera came with this bag, and it was so big that I thought, well, we'll just add all the cameras in one package instead of trying to take them around separately. So here's my first one that I always use, Canon. It's been well used. I use it for a lot of things. Works really good for video. Has the best sound. From down here in this pack, I got my other Canon camera. A little bit newer model. Looks pretty much the same. So those are my cameras I've had for a while. This is the one I use most often. Then over here is the new one. Right here. It's the GoPro. The Hero 6. Just got it, so put it in this case and got the stand on it. And it seems like it can stand up on its own. Can't really do it one-handed, but seems like it'll be a good one to stand up and use. I don't know for sure how the quality will be, but we'll switch over to it here and give it a shot. Alright, I'm on the new camera. So there's the Sony that I always use. If I can pick it up with one hand. And the lighting isn't good enough to read what it is, but it's the HDR-XR 500. Really good camera as long as it focuses. So that always sits right there in the bag. So yeah, here's a test with the GoPro camera now. You can see a little bit of a big drift up there on the roof. So yeah, there you go. This has a much wider angle. I can't see myself now, so I don't know where I'm aiming, but it seems to have a much wider angle, at least. I'm just trying to get different ways. There. I don't know what I'm doing. Who knows? But yeah, I'll try to use this one and the Sony together in different ways. See if I can edit them together somehow and put some kind of video together. Before I switch to the GoPro, I'll give you a shot of the outside here. You can see how much snow is out here. Over here by the fence, you can see it's halfway up the fence. More than halfway. Drifts here. Big old drift right here. That stick sticking up out of the pile there, wherever it is right there. That's a tall tree, or I don't know what it is, but it sticks way out. You can see our big rock over there, and there's the depth on the road that they plowed off. Wind is really blowing today. Comes all the way across the field and over to here. So the neighbor is going to help us get that cleared out with their machine. So if they do that, I'll make some videos, and then whatever we have to do by hand, I'll try to make a video then too. There's a good snow shot right there. Look at that amount. Even on top of the bird feeder. Look at that. Doesn't even focus. There. Look at that amount of snow. Jeez. Gives you a better idea. We'll switch over to the GoPro camera now. thanks for watching, everyone. And thanks for everybody that watches my junky car videos. So thank you, and I'll be making more videos more often, and hopefully better ones, as soon as I learn what I'm doing. And I don't know what type of video I'm trying to do. I'm just kind of piecing together whatever I can think of at this point. From snow to cars to whatever. Especially during the winter time, because, well, we have all those old cars, but they're all put away. And we have 2 farms to go to, but again, they're all filled with snow, and we aren't going to the farm. So, it's just whatever I can scrape up pretty much right now. So thanks everybody that's still watching with me, and that cares enough to even look at them. And let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers. Let's try to do it somehow. That would be awesome if we could do it. And any video ideas, please comment them. I'll think about it or try to do it. So just, yeah, keep liking and subscribing and sharing and do whatever you can to get us up. We'll do it together as a team if we possibly can. So thank you so much. Man, look at this stupid mess. Whew. I gotta find a shovel now, somewhere in this place. Here we go. Alright, I'll get back out here and show you what's next. Look at that. Look at how deep. Oh. Look at this here. God. Getting it cleared out up here. You can see, camera doesn't even make it look a third as bad. Man. Gotta try to get over in this somehow. That's how deep it is. Whew. Making our way through. Alright, you probably can't hear me over the wind, but we got it all cleaned out, pushed back into the yard. Everything's cleaned out. Alright, thanks for watching, and I just made a trip back from the mailbox because I put a letter out there last night, and that was a stupid idea because it got full of snow and water on it and frozen, so now I gotta try to thaw it out. So that's my next step, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.